Most people don't know that garlic can actually burn your skin, and I'm talking blisters, actual tissue damage. As a certified medicinal herbalist from Cornell University, I see a mountain of flavor and therapeutic possibilities. But as a licensed esthetician, I see a mountain of potential chemical irritation. The second you crush garlic, it creates something called allicin, and that's the compound that makes it so powerful. But here's the thing, when it sits on your skin too long, it can actually irritate it. At first, you might not even notice it. It feels a little tingly, maybe a little warm, but give it time. But then it starts to turn, and we're talking redness, stinging, even blisters that can feel like a heat burn. But here's what most people, even kitchen professionals, don't realize is what's actually happening at the skin level. From a clinical perspective, we have to talk about your skin barrier. Garlic compounds are sulfur-based and highly lipophilic, meaning they love fats. They are designed to hitch a ride on your natural oils of your skin and penetrate deep into the stratum corneum. And once those oils sink in, they start breaking down your lipid barrier from the inside out. It's kind of like when you're out in the sun all day, you don't realize you've had too much exposure. And then later that night, that's when the sting really sets in. And by the time you feel the heat, the burn has already moved past the surface. The goal is precision. Keep the therapeutic compounds in the jar where they belong and keep your skin barrier intact. That is smart wellness. And these 15 bulbs are going into an experiment I've been running for about a month. I have already failed twice and I'm not done yet. So subscribe before you miss what happens next.